Unong Yalam kan Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul Sangma Ulathir Tenge ik Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Hagajing Yalam jong NPP dah bakno baklaknyat benyi pajba kejela nadu kejing kwan mentoy shimet dah ginong yalam mak Sarkar kejing ai khendau ka siap boleh peteng na kikulong kuma sya Asam kejing pemla ban penorlong i projek beper kejing pemla ban pemi gersal kampulit nadu snam arja ka khendai kejing ile persya ne kejing bomburam ye kejing sunyam dah ka bomut penkela caka khalai ye kejela berkumcu kejing thok ting skuari pajba kumbala phlahi do sumbut menteri rangba kejela uba perstun tensong u Dr. Mukul lakren ye gani ha kejing lang pajba jong ka parti ha mau korwan ha ka arp sautrik nai luar arja rafuar ha ka bad gi hajar ngur gi pajba kilawan ban saki bat penyeso il deru syaka TMC harangkat unong yalam jonggi ba sounder strong gaji uni unong yalam ke Trinamool Congress lakam ru ba seng TMC kan sakni ke bor sensyar po kejela usnam ajar fly ba utip bat sungtu syai gani nambar ba usyanya ik pajba khasi bat karo hagani gasngi layo jingkran ru no president ke TMC Meghalaya unit ba Charles Pengrup bala penbana pajba ru ba sounder strong gaji president barem ke FKGGP unlong kurtong ke TMC hausnam ajar fly namo korwat constituency Hashwagani gijingelang la pleru ik office trikam ka parti hama korwan.
You have seen all our young men and other members of the civil society organization asking the government to avoid doing things which do not go in sync with our way of life, which do not go in sync with our faith. Do you want my Meghalaya, our Meghalaya, to be the den of gambling, where all kinds of vices and sins are committed? Today, all the leaders in the government do not have the element of self-respect. That's why they lie. They don't hesitate to lie. They continue to lie. I'm even ashamed to be calling myself as one of the members belonging to political class because of some of them, some of their narratives. You heard the present incumbent deputy chief minister spilling the beans that they are habitual liars. Do you remember? Or have you been able to witness to that statement of Mr. Preston Tinsong, as though he represents all the politicians? He may represent all the MPPs and others in the government, but not us. Please don't take us wrong. We don't belong to that bunch of that kind of politicians. We don't belong to that class. We have demonstrated our faith. The faith in ourselves. That we believe in ourselves. We believe in our people. We don't have to lie. People who are honest to their responsibility towards the dead will never lie. How can a father lie to a son? How can a mother lie to a daughter? Friends, that's not something which is part of our way of life. That is not our culture. I used to take pride in our tribe's name, Achit. Achit. You know, Garos are actually called Garos by others, but we call ourselves Achit. Achit means we bite the earth to keep our word. Achit, that means we cannot lie. We have the right kind of people in the helm of affairs of governance. Not the people who set their own selfish, self-centric agendas as their priority and forget the dignity and forget the state. Today, at the cost of the state and the people in power are enriching themselves. They are 24/7 busy to satisfy their swelling greed at the cost of the people and the state. Today I see some of the social media advertisements. I would like to refer to the social media advertisement of the BJP itself, who is in the government. Meghalaya with Modi. Go through this advertisement of BJP seeking the support of the people of Meghalaya And they themselves say what is happening. In that Meghalaya with Modi, they speak about how the state is being looted. What is the BJP doing then? If the BJP knows that the state is being looted by the party in power, why are they still in the government? Are they not responsible to take cognizance of these irregularities, which amounts to robbing the state and the people? Are they not duty bound to act as per the law? Friends, same thing with all other political parties, be it UDP, be it NPP, all the parties in government. Today, as we come closer to the election, they're very good actors. Very good actors. You will hear good dialogue. You will see good acting. They will speak against each other. Have they not done it earlier? Have they not said that we have nothing to do with BJP, UDP, HSPDP and NPP? Didn't they tell? Well, they will be telling the same thing now. But friends, when we talk about our responsibility towards our Jatpuri and towards our state, why did our forefathers fought for our statehood? Because we needed to ensure that our identity, our culture, our way of life is preserved and protected. We need to ask the questions. People of Mukul and Ranikor must ask questions to this government. What has happened to that road? It is part and parcel of that SARDPNE that all the district headquarters will be connected with not less than 2 lane road with a specification of national highway. This is what we have done for the state. It is included in the SARDPN. Today, what has happened to this government? Even the schemes which have been sanctioned, they have not been able to spend till now. I give you one example of Meghalaya Integrated Transport Program, wherein $120 million were already sanctioned and approved and available for the state. I told the government, please take cognizance of these programs, take it as a low-hanging fruit, utilize it for the development because money is already there which we brought. These schemes were sanctioned in 2017. All the schemes which are for livelihood, whole program posted and approved during our time by Ministry of Finance, because all those programs which are funded under externally aided project are to be approved by Ministry of Finance. MITP. It's not just the building of roads. It also includes connecting the roads to the market. It also includes building godowns for the farmers. It also includes building infrastructure for agro-entrepreneurs. That's why it is called Integrated Transport Program. It includes providing transport facility and funding the farmers group for having the right kind of transport system for transportation of their goods from villages to the market. We embark upon all those programs. I remember I inaugurated that 1917, where you dial and call for the vehicle as a farmer. During the COVID pandemic, I urged upon the authorities to utilize that facility. And that was utilized and it was highly commended by UNDP. That Meghalaya had a wonderful system called 1917 to ensure that the farmers reach their produce to the targeted market and get their remunerative price.